thing you gotta know is that South Florida storms can cause a lot of damage, especially to your coffee. Rain will ruin coffee. Check it out. David, here. Yeah, come here. David, come here. Taste it. Come here. See, the rain ruined it. That's why you gotta put a lid on it. Lid, protect your coffee with a lid. Rain can also ruin your donut. So save yourself from a lot of hurt and pain by protecting your donut with a donut umbrella. There you go. Now you're safe. Oh man, it's really coming down. I'm gonna get out of here.